In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process that should take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. If you haven't already signed into your QuickBooks Online account, go ahead and do so by clicking on the Sign In button. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose the product you're using, so make sure to select QuickBooks Online. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. After you have entered these details, click on Continue to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Settings icon, which is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Clicking on this icon will give you a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Users. This selection will bring you to the user management section, where you can see a list of all current users associated with your QuickBooks account. In the Manage Users section, pay attention to the Actions column. This is an important area where you can take different actions related to user management. You might see options like editing a user's permissions, but in this case we're looking to delete a user. Go ahead and find the user you wish to remove from your account. Once you locate the correct user, click on the little drop down or 3 dots next to their name under the Actions column. Here, you'll see the option to delete the user. Make sure you select this option carefully. Once you click Delete, QuickBooks might ask you to confirm that you indeed want to delete this user. This is just a double check mechanism to ensure you don't accidentally remove someone without intending to. Confirm the deletion and QuickBooks will process the request to remove the user. Remember, deleting a user will remove their access. So it's a good idea to double check that you're removing the right user's access and that it's necessary for your business. Additionally, it's always worthwhile considering whether adjusting their permissions might solve the issue without the need for deletion depending on the situation. And that's it, you've just deleted a user in QuickBooks Online. This action helps keep your account organized and ensures that the right people have access to your business information. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it made the process smooth and easy for you. If you have any other QuickBooks related tasks you'd like to explore, be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides. Have a great day.